We've all been there. You open up your first paycheck and there's all sorts of deductions you didn't sign up for. What do these details mean? Hi, I'm Monica. Let's take a deeper dive. Here's an example of a pay stub. All Virginia employers are required to provide pay stubs that show your wages and deductions. You can get this directly from your employer, and it's often online. First thing you want to do is check that your personal information at the top is correct. If you see an error or update that needs to be made, whether it's your name, address, or phone number, contact your supervisor immediately. These details are important because they are shared with the 3 credit bureaus and the IRS. Secondly, take note that the gross pay, or income before taxes and deductions, aligns with your contracted earnings for the defined pay period. So you'll see here, Taylor Cash worked 12.5 hours in the first half of the month. They'd want to confirm that they worked 12.5 hours and this matches what they agreed upon with their employer. While this may seem obvious, clerical mistakes can happen, and you want to make sure you are getting paid the correct amount. Next, check out the deductions and withholdings. All earned income is subject to federal, state, and local taxes depending on where you live. Taxes pay for public goods, things such as parks, schools, libraries, military defense, and even roads. Please note that the amount taken out from each paycheck is not exactly what you will have to pay in taxes for the year. The amount withheld is based on how you fill out your employment form called the W-4. Your employer will have you fill out this form when you are hired and can help you best set aside money come tax season. Other listed mandatory deductions are the FICA taxes. FICA stands for Federal Insurance Contributions Act. On your paycheck, FICA may be broken into 2 sections, Social Security and Medicare. These required withholdings, as you can see listed here, support programs designed for individuals who are either in and around retirement age, face disability, or are survivors of workers. Medicare is a health insurance program, and Social Security is a retirement program. Not listed on this paycheck, but important to note are the non-mandatory deductions. These could include benefits that you opt into, things like retirement savings, health care plans, child care saving plans, and even life insurance plans. When you are looking at your paycheck, make sure you know what each line item stands for and which account that money, your money, is going to. Last but certainly not least, the net pay is located at the bottom. Net pay is a fancy way to say take-home pay. This will be the dollar amount of your check and what is directly deposited into your account after taxes and other deductions. The net pay is what you should use to create your budget. And that's how you read a pay stub.